Singakushintsha yini lokho sikuse kuma logarithmic form? Yebo, that's where logs kick in. This kwi-logarithmic form singakubhala kanje. We will take the base. Okay, asiqale la. Uma sifuna ukushintsha lokhu sikuse kuma logarithmic form, we will say log. We will take the base. We will take number, and here we will put the power. So uma sifuna ukushintsha lo simbhale in a log form, kuzoba ulog, ibase ubani u4, inumber ubani u16, ipower ubani u2. Uma sifuna ukushintsha lo sizothatha ulog, sorry about that, we will say log, number ubani, ibase ubani u7, inumber ubani u49, bese i-exponent kube u2. Uma sifuna ukushintsha lo, we will say log, ibase ubani u10, inumber it's 0,001, power -4. Okay, whenever the base is 10, we will not write 10 most of the times. So whenever we get log to a number equal to something or equal to nothing, we will know that the base is 10 since u10 engabhalwa. Okay, kulokhu kukhona ekumele sikubize ngokuthi ama takeaway, ekakhulukazi la siyazi ukuthi 0, something is a fraction. Even ngathiwa 1, something, once we have a comma, we know ukuthi besidila ne-fraction. So this tells us that whenever we get something like log, singathatha noma yiphi ibase ne asithi 2, just for ukuthi izobonakala lento engiyishoyo, raised to 1/4. If we are asked to solve this, sesiyazi ukuthi i-answer yethu must be negative noma ngabe kungabi yiphi number. Singakusolva yini vele lokho? Yes, singakusolva uma uzokhumbula lokho engizokubonisa kona. Singakusolva ngokuthi senze lo. Okay, let's say we're asked to solve this. Sibone fraction, siyazi ukuthi answer izoba negative. Let's make this equal to x, ne? So if we make this equal to x, sizobe sesiyithatha lento siyibuyisele kwi-exponential form ukuze sizokwazi ukuyisolve. How do we do that? Angithi siyazi ukuthi bekwe i-exponent le ngokwalokho esikufundile uma sishintsha lama equation siwasusa kwi-exponential form siwasa kwi-logarithmic form. Siyazi ukuthi bekuyi-exponent, siyazi ukuthi ibase ile. So 2 raised to x is equal to 1/4. Uma sesilana nakhe ekumele sikwenze, kumele sishintshe inamba le ewu4 siyenze siyibuyisele kwi-exponential form, but sicontrolwa yile base esinayo la. Le base esinayo la iyona esitshela ukuthi kumele senze u4 to what base. So ngoba ku2, that means u4 sizomshintsha simuse kwi-exponential form, kodwa ibase esifuna abe yona u2. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Samthola u4 siyema. So sesiyeza sizoqhubeka nesibalo sethu ngoba sesitholile ukuthi u4 singamshintsha abe u1, le fraction singayishintsha ibe u2 raised to 2. Bese simusa phezulu uzoshintsha isign abe negative. Sikufundile lokho kuma exponential. So 2 raised to minus 2. Siyazi ukuthi once ama base wethu afana njengoba siwabona efana la sesingawadiliza ama exponents. So this is the same as x minus 2. Apha mangami, whenever we have a fraction i-answer yethu izoba negative nakube sisuke singazi ukuthi to what number. So ake siqhubeleke phambili sibone ukuthi ezinye izibalo singayisolva kanjani uma sinikwe i-function noma equation ikwi-log form but ingaphelele idinga ukuba idinga ukuthi siyisolve. Okay, let's make ama logs interesting. Lana uphawulile cishe ukuthi the base is smaller than this number. What can happen if things get twisted? The base is bigger and that number is smaller. Well, ake senze isibalo mhlawumbe esinesimo esinjengaleso bese sibona ukuthi sizotholana. Ukuze senze lento ithakazelise ake sithathe le noma singayithathi le sike sithathe le ake sithathe le ukuze singathi sisolve into sibe sesiyazi answer yayo, yabo. Ake sithi besino log 25, right, raised to 25. So lo log raised to 25 asithi bekuno 5 la. Then we are asked to solve this. Siyazi ukuthi we will let this equal to x, right? Bese siyibuyisela kwi-exponential form ngemva kwalokho. Siyazi ukuthi ipower le, so this is the same as 25 raised to x equal to 5. So yini ekumele siyenze uma sesila? Uma sesila senza the same thing that we did here. Kumele sishintshe lo u25 simuse kuma exponents, but sizocontrolwa yilo 5 nakulokho. U25 simfuna ibase yakhe iu5. So we will check ukuthi if we raise 5 to 1 sithola bani? 5. If we raise 5 to 2 sithola bani? U25. Then siyema cause siyamthola u25. Then bese sizoshintsha ke lo abe u5 raised to 2 x equal to 5. Then sesiyazi ukuthi this is the same as 5 2x because they multiply equal to 5. Yini ke manje ekumele siyenze? Siyabadiliza 2x sidiliza ama exponent because ama base aseyafana is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 over 2. So this is another takeaway. Whenever the base is smaller than the number here, we will get the whole number. Whenever the base is bigger than the number here, we will get the fraction. Sangayitholi fraction, kumele sime sisihlolisise isibalo sethu sibheke ukuthi alikho yini iphutha esilenzile. Nakho ke okunye ekumele sikwazi njengoba sidila nama logs. Okay. Asiqhubeleke phambili because le method nale ayifani, so bengifuna ukwenzela enye mhlawumbe ongase ubhekane nayo. Okay, angiyenze ukuze because I did ene base enkulu nenamba ela yabe incane. Angakayenzi enjengale kodwa ube ungamnikwanga lo. Ake siyenze for ukuze ungakhali ngami. Okay, let's say we were given log let's say log to the base 3 on this time. Bese sibeka inamba la ake siyenze benkulu njengamabomu 2 1 8 7. Then we are asked to solve this. Okay, sithe we let this equal to x asiyihluphi nje, bese ngemva kwalokho siyibuyisela kwi-exponential form. Siyazi ukuthi ipower leya ibase le, so 3 raised to x is equal to 21 8 7. So njengoba senzile nakwezinye inamba, sizoshintsha lo simbuyisele kuma exponents, but sicontrolwa u3. So sizothi 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. Bese sithi 3 raised to 2, simshaya kwi-calculate, 3 raised to 2 is 9. Bese sithi 3 raised to 3 u-27. U-3 raised to 3. Bese sithi 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4 u-81. Bese sithi 3 raised to 5 u-3 raised to 5. I-calculator ithi u-243. Bese sithi 3 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6 u-729. Siqhubeke 3 raised to 7, 3 raised to 7 gives us 2187. Sesikutholile besikufuna. So sizomshintsha ke lo 3 raised to x is the same as 3 raised to 7. Sesimtholile x is equal to 7. So whenever lona emkhulu, we get the whole number apha mangami, but whenever lo emkhulu lo emncane, we will always get the fraction. Okay, ama logs awahlali elula kanje. Sometimes we will be given lokhu mhlawumbe kushintshwe kube log 3 log 3 bese mhlawumbe kuthiwe 9 bese kuthiwa plus log 3 asithathe bani 81 bese kuthiwa 81. On the case like this, for us to solve it, we need to remember ama rules, ama logs. So asiqaleke sikhulume ngama rules, ama logs before sibone ukuthi lesa sibalo besingasixazulula kanjani. Ama rules, ama logs asitshela ukuthi whenever we are given something like okay, let's change it. This one does not want to write. Whenever we are given log, let's say to the base a can be any number and b can be any number, plus log a and c. Kumele sazi ukuthi lokhu kuyafana nokuthi log A B times C. So uma sinikwa into enjengale sizoyiletha la. Siyazi ukuthi lo siyakwazi ukumsolve. Angithi uye lo ebesimenza la. So on this situation here we will come and change it siyilethe la. Kodwa ukhumbule kumele ama base afane. If engafana ama base la kumele afane. If engafana ama base asikwazi ukwenza lokho. And kumele kube no plus la. Lelo le ibizwa ngokuthi i-logarithmic addition identity, noma abanye bayibiza ngokuthi i-product rule yama logs. So ngenxa yokuthi kuno plus it's a product, or a product, sorry, it's this multiplication that changes to positive addition identity because of this plus. Well, ungakhathazeki kakhulu ngalokho. Kumele ukwazi nje ukuthi uma isibalo sinje uzosiletha la ukuze ukwazi ukusolve, because yilokho ebesikufunda la. So this changes to log to the base 3. Let's divide here. 9 times 81. Ngithathe lesi esesenzile la ukuze singabe dry bus. Kumele sishintshe u9, but sicontroller ile base. We need to say 3 to what power is 9. Kumele sishintshe u81, 3 to what power will give us 81. Okay. Asiqale kanje. We need to let this equal to x, angithi. So if we say 3, which was the base, raised to x is equal to 9 times 81. Siyazi ukuthi this would be the same as 3 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 81 raised to 4. Siyazi ukuthi when the bases are the same, we will add the exponents. So we'll get 3 raised to x equal to 3 raised to 6. So x is equal to 6. So that means log to the base of 3 9 times 81, if uthanda ungabhala kanje, is equal to 6. Esikhathini esiningi lokho akuzukudingeka, kodwa uzobheka nawo ama marks ubone ukuthi akudingeke yini. Angicabanga ukuthi uma ukubhalela uthisha wakho uzoba nenkinga, because kimi it would explain ukuthi uyasazi story sakho. So awufani nje nomuntu engingathi mhlawumbe uthole imbuzi noma ukopelile, because kimi if ubhala lokho bese ubhala lokho, it does not tell me ukuthi umthole kanjani u6. So enough about logarithmic addition identity. Let's continue. Ama logs awagcini la. Kuphinde kube nenye irule ebizwa ngokuthi logarithmic subtraction identity. Lana sisuke sino log a, mhlambe singathi u-d lo, minus log a, mhlambe asithi u-f lo. This is said to be equal to log a d over f. So lokhu kusisiza kuphi? if this expression was said to be minus, besizofika lana sithi divide, singasho ukuthi times, besizofika sithi divide. So ake siyenzeke ngala eceleni siyibone ukuthi isibeka kuphi. So ibizoba log okay, angiqhubeke nayo anyway, bengifuna ukuyishintsha ngiyenze enye, but it makes no difference. You just have to ukuthi ubambe lesi strategy nje kuphela, then you can solve anything. Sithi sino 9 over 81. We need to solve this, so we let this equal to x. Ngemva kwalokho we can simplify this uma sesino divide ngokuthi sithi u9 uyaka ungakhi ku9, siyazi ukuthi uyaka yi1. u9 uyaka ungakhi ku81, i-calculator ithi uyaka u9. Siyazi ukuthi answer yethu kumele ibe negative, it must be negative. Then u3 raised to i-exponent yethu x, cishe manje usuyayazi lento ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi. Then 1 divided by 9, which can also be written as 3 raised to 2, which can also be written as 3 raised to minus 2. Ayafana ama-base, siyawadiliza ama-exponent. X is equal to minus 2. Usakhumbula, whenever we have a fraction, our answer would be negative. So si-calculate vele sesazi ukuthi kumele sithole u-negative. Ama-rules wama-logs awagcini la, kuphinde kube khona enye siyibiza ngokuthi i-power rule. So i-power rule isebenza when we have log to the base a, that can be any number, b raised to m. This is equal to m log a raised to b. So lokhu kuyasisiza ezimeni ezinjengalapho mhlawumbe kuthiwa asisolve ulog let's say we are to solve, okay, as add enye rule ezosiza noma siqhubeke nale. This tells us ukuthi if singaba no log 2 raised to 4, this would be 4 raised to log 2 to the base of 2 and 2. Kukhona enye rule kuma-logs ebizwa ngokuthi it's a change of base. Like ithi yona, when we have log let's say a, b, this is the same as log b divided by log a. So ngiyayithanda le rule. It tells us ukuthi lo noma specific lo singambhala ngokuthi log 2 divided by log 2. They cancel, they leave us with 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So it turns out that this is equal to 4 because of this rule. If this base was 3, besizothi log 2 divided by log 3, and we would write what we get on the calculator. So each change of base iyasisiza sisolve ama logs la ama exponent asuke engafani khona. So lama rules la esikhulume ngawo la le ne product le esikhulume ngayo la awuzohlala uthola isibalo esizoba ne product kuphela, mhlawumbe singahlanganiswa kuthiwe, let me change the color, let me take blue, mhlawumbe kungathiwa log 3 raised to 9 bese kuthiwa minus log 2 8. Ngiyazakhela so ungaboni ngimane ngibaleka log let's say 3 ukuze sizofanisa ama base bese sithi 27 la bese kuba u minus okay, sesinayo plus asiphinda minus sithi log 2 asithi raised to 32 yabo. So yini esizoyenza la, sizobheka ukuthi u-minus wethu ukuphi. Okay, nangiya nala. So kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi uma singamthatha lo simlethe la bazoba no minus, sithathe lo simlethe la kuzoba o plus. So okay, lokho kuyasiza ngandlela thile kodwa kuphinde kwenza izinto zibe nzima. Kodwa okay, asikwenze kanje. Asithathe lo ngoba une base efanayo, sisale no log. Okay, asivele simsolve lo log lo. Simcondense log 3 uplus ulana lana ngithi. So kuyini lokho? Kunama base afanayo futhi. It would be 9 times 27. So sazini ngalapho ukuthi uma sithatha negative sign as the common factor kuzoba ulog inside the bracket kuzoba ulog 28 plus log 232. So nalana zizojika izinto sibe no log 2 bese kuba u8 times 32 phakathi. Vele asikho isidingo sokuthi siqhubeke sifake lama bracket, but ukwafaka kunankinga. So now this can be solved. Okay, siyazi ukuthi lo singamshintsha abe u3 raised to 2, lona futhi singamshintsha abe u3 raised to 3. Asikwenze lokho. Lona singamshintsha futhi, asiqale ngalo. This would be log 3, then lona 3 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 3 minus log base 2 mulona kuzoba u2 raised to 3 2 raised to 3 times u32 u32 ubani u32 2 raised to 5. Yes, 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Then sesingenzani ke manje? Sesingakhumbula lokhu esiye sakufunda ngaphambili. Sifundeni ngaphambili. Sifunde ukuthi we can let this equal to x. Bese sithi 3 raised to x. Ngenxa yokuthi u3 raised to x would be equal to labo 3 ama-base ayobe fana. U-x would be equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then ngalana u-x would be equal to lona uzoba u2 raised to x, lona kube u3 no 5, bese kuba u3 plus 5 okwenza u8. So this is equal to lona ubani u5. 5 minus 8, as we have said. Then i-final answer yethu kuzoba u-minus 3. So we are done. Esikufundile kuze kube imanje kungasiza sikwazi ukuxazulula izibalo zama-logs. Kodwa kuthiwani ngama-natural logs ngeke kuze kusize because asikakhulume ngama-natural logs. Ngizophoza bese ngisula ibhodi lami sibuye sikhulume ngama-natural logs, then siyobe sesiqedile ngama-logs.